Journey through English, mastering the use of across. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our exciting journey through the world of English language. Today, we will embark on an adventure where we cross borders, roads, and rivers. Yes, we're talking about the preposition, across. This preposition is often used to indicate crossing over or traversing from one side to another. So, let's get started. Across is a preposition that conveys the idea of movement from one side of something to the other. It implies crossing a boundary or space. Whether you're walking across the street, swimming across a river, or even looking across a room, this versatile word helps paint a picture of your location relative to the spaces and objects around you. Let's see some examples of how across is used in sentences. 1. He walked across the bridge to get to the other side of the river. 2. She lives across the street from the supermarket. 3. We swam across the lake yesterday. In all these sentences, across describes the action of moving from one side to another. Across is also commonly used in phrases or idiomatic expressions. Here are a few examples. 1. Come across, encounter or find. I came across an old friend in the city. 2. Get your point across, make people understand. He struggled to get his point across during the meeting. 3. Run across, meet or find by chance. I ran across a fantastic book at the library. In these phrases, across takes on a more figurative meaning, indicating the concept of encounter or successful communication. It's also important to distinguish across from similar prepositions like through and along. Across suggests a direct path from one side to another. Through implies movement within a space or area, often surrounded by something. Along indicates movement in a continuous line, following the length of something. For example, we might say, she walked across the park, directly from one side to the other. She walked through the woods, inside the woods, surrounded by trees. Or, she walked along the path, following the path's length. So there you have it, English explorers. We've journeyed across the use of the preposition, across, today. Now, you should have a deeper understanding of how to use across in various situations, making your English more fluent and natural. Keep practicing, and soon using across will be a breeze. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and until our next English journey, keep learning and stay curious. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, is progress. Happy learning!